world, cannabis products are moving out of the shadows and into the mainstream. Recreational use is now permitted in Canada and 19 US states, while Germany is set to become the largest nation in the world to legalise, as well as the 5th in Europe, where psychoactive cannabis is legal or officially tolerated. Therapeutic materials derived from cannabis and hemp are already part of our everyday lives, in medicines and cosmetics, and in novel foods that recently gained official status in the EU and beyond. But bringing substances that were previously illegal into legitimate markets is fraught with challenges, with safety perhaps the largest. Whatever their beneficial properties, growing cannabis and hemp plants are susceptible to accumulating impurities, including pesticides and heavy metals. During cultivation and storage, they can develop mould and life-threatening mycotoxins, and the latter stage of product development can introduce hazards such as solvents and new metal contaminants. This is a key challenge for the cannabis industry, and it's here that reference materials can play a crucial role. They can be used to confirm the presence of contaminants in raw and finished cannabis products, and at every stage of the production process. They can also help with quality testing for compounds such as terpenes and to establish the true potency of cannabinoids. Like cannabis, the Dr. Ehrenstorfer story has its roots in the soil, beginning in the 1970s when Dr. Sigmund Ehrenstorfer discovered there were no pesticide standards available to help the Bavarian government protect the environment. He began synthesizing and purifying reference materials in the cellar of the building he lived in, and his innovations gave birth to one of the world's leading suppliers of reference materials for environmental and food residue testing. Today, our ISO 17034 manufacturing sites around the world produce a comprehensive range of more than 700 cannabis-related reference materials, with analytes including heavy metals, mycotoxins, pesticides, residual solvents, terpenes, and cannabinoids. Our expert scientists are on hand to answer questions and support your analysis, while our 5 decades of experience means we can also offer tailored solutions that help you respond to rapid changes in cannabis markets and regulations. With more and more countries likely to legalise and liberalise, demand for laboratory testing is also set to increase, in order to ensure that cannabis products are safe for consumers. Whatever the future holds, your laboratory needs a quality reference materials provider you can rely on to keep you up to date with the latest industry developments and regulations. Go to lgcstandards.com/cannabis to find out more. LGC – Science for a Safer World.